CEO Charles, Mr. Maina, Joshua Sibel, and together with the PS and the CS to join His Excellency on the ramp. The rest of us kindly, let's remain seated. Let's remain seated kindly. We need very few people on the ramp for the sake of good pictures and also just to have some order. So to join His Excellency, we're expecting Rodriguez, we're expecting Gachagua Charles, Mr. Maina, Joshua Sibel to join His Excellency together with the CS and the PS. And at this time, I want to hand over to my co-host, Mr. Eddie Kimani, to lead us in the next part of the official flagging off of the 2024 WRC Safari Rally. Eddie, over to you.
Asante sana Michael Gitonga. Ashukuru sana kwa nafasi hii na this is a day we've been waiting for, and I'd like to take this opportunity on behalf of the organizers, the WRC Safari Rally Kenya Limited, the local organizing committee, in putting together this amazing event. I will not forget the partners, the friends, and those who've walked along with us for the last 3-4 months in making sure that we are here today at the start of the 71st Safari Rally WRC. My co-host this afternoon will be Julian Porter, all the way from the WRC team. Julian, it's good morning or good afternoon? Good afternoon.
It is good afternoon, and yet we are ready. And one of my favourite countries, one of my favourite continents in the world. So we've got some rally cars coming, so I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, a total of 29 cars which will be flagged off here on the ramp. And we've got a couple of other cars that are competing in the Kenya National Rally Championship. That's our very own gents and ladies. Remembering we also have our very own Talanta Hela Ladies Rally Team, which have been supported by the national government to ensure that there is some form of equality in bringing women into the sport. So right now, we are just about to engage into the rally time. And Your Excellency, together with your team, welcome and thank you once again on behalf of all Kenyans. And also acknowledging Nairobi and the county government of Nairobi for hosting us in this iconic ground, the KICC, but more importantly, celebrating the return of Safari Rally to the Easter weekend. We are just about to begin. And His Excellency, the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, will be flagging off the first 10 cars. On the ramp right now, we have Carl Flash Tundo, navigated by his long-term handbrake will be nice, to flag off the first car off the ramp. I'll be joining Julian on the other side. Julian?
Yep, let's get you across here to interview Carl.
All right, as we count down to the start, Carl Flash Tundo, recently the chair of the local organizing committee, but more importantly, we are acknowledging his 5-time Safari Rally wins, navigated by his long-time Carl Flash Tundo. Before you get into the car, a word to our fans, and of course, this is yet another opportunity for you to showcase your skill. I mean, you've taken a break a little for other engagements, but you're here for the rally. Many people are very excited to have you back in the Safari. How is it for you being the Safari, looking forward to another good finishing in a good place last year?
Yeah, I'm super excited. You know, Safari Rally to me is it's in my heart. This will be my 24th Safari Rally that I've done. I think I might be the oldest here in the car, but looking to give the Kijanas a good race.
Age is nothing but a number. You and team have a formidable partnership. How far have you prepared this time? You've got another brand sponsorship from Betika. Well done and congratulations. All set?
Yeah, we're set. We're ready to go. We're hoping the Easter rains will open the gates, the floodgates, and let's see how everyone fares.
All right, Carl, all the best. 5-time Safari Rally winner, navigated by Team Jessop, and they will be getting into this adventure in their Ford. That is a Ford Fiesta, competing in Rally 2 category. And if you do not know, he finished 12th in 2023, 3rd in the WRC, 3rd in 2021, 11th in 2023, and we are lucky that we are going to definitely see him look to better that. Clearly a man who's got his attention and ears well open. And we are going to the countdown in a moment.
The tailgate.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and off they go. Starting the adventure, Carl Flush Tundo beginning the journey of yet another edition of the Safari Rally. As you heard from him, the 24th edition of the Safari Rally for him. Up next, the Africa Rally defending champion Karan Patel and Tawfiq Khan, and definitely sponsored by a very good friend of motorsports in Kenya, that is KCB. Goromisha, now feel the roar. Tosif and Karan, an amazing partnership they've had over the years. Former National Rally Championships, but right now they are the defending champions of the Africa Rally Championship, with Karan sealing it after finishing second in the Tanzania Rally. Karan, Karan, well done. Of course, a great privilege to be standing here right next to our president, and more privilege standing here with you because you're carrying high the nation's flag and, of course, KCB's flag. As one of the representatives leading our Kenyan charge, any pressure on you?
Yeah, I mean, for sure there's always pressure, but it's how you cope with it and how you deal with it. That's the key. So let's see how it goes.
Thank you for your time. Thank you so much, Karan, and all the best. Good luck. Karan Patel, navigated by Tosif Khan. And this machine brought in for this new season, it's a Skoda Fabia R5 in the Rally 2 category. And also looking forward to another season where he will be looking to defend his Africa Rally Championship. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and off they go. Karan Patel and Tosif Khan. All right, we progress on with the flags of card. Third in the order of the start, we've got Nicolas Ciamin and Yannick Roche in their Hyundai i20N. Julian will be having a conversation with the drivers as they start their adventure in the 2004 WRC Safari Rally.
I'll get a quick word with Nicholas. If you stay there, we just come in, so we're facing front. Obviously, we've been together already like 1 week. You've been and sampled. He was in Masai Mara for 2 days. So what have you made of the whole experience so far in Kenya?
Yeah, first, so the safari experience in Masai Mara was fantastic, and I think you liked it too.
I did.
And then, yeah, Recce was a challenge already. Conditions are quite rough this year. And yeah, when it's raining, it's very slippery also. So yeah, it will be a big challenge. Shakedown did not went very well. I clipped the same tree as Oliver 2 years ago, yes. So not a great start, but now I try not to make any mistake anymore.
It's a huge adventure, yeah?
Yeah, it will be, I guess.
Okay, good luck, and we'll see you at the weekend.
Well done, Julian. Definitely a pleasure to have you, Julian, here. You've been moving around the world and very jealous that you already had a taste of 2024 season, Monte Carlo and Sweden. How is it coming from the snow to the sun?
Yeah, it's good. Monte Carlo was not too bad. It was actually warmer than we were expecting.
Yes.
Then Sweden was minus 10, minus 15.
3, 2, 1, and off they go. That is Nicolas Ciamin and Yannick Roche in the Hyundai 120N, third off the ramp in the WRC2 category. Up next, not a stranger to a Safari Rally, Gus Greensmith and Jonas Andersson from Sweden and Great Britain, also competing in the WRC2 category in their Skoda Fabia RS. Julian?
Gus, the president approves of your machine. First time out this year in WRC2. What are we expecting now you've done the recce?
Well, yeah, it looks rough for sure. I think the weather's going to play the biggest part this week. I think we know what we need to do, but yeah, for sure when the rain comes, the actual idea and the plan goes out the window.
What would what do you prefer? A nice, calm, quiet rally, or a bit of drama to mix it up?
No, we want the rain. We want the rain.
Can you organise the rain?
Yes, we have organized the rain.
Okay. Gus, good luck. Have fun.
One, and off they go. Gus Greensmith and Jonas Andersson, Skoda Fabia RS, heavily competing in the WRC2 category. Gus Greensmith, not a stranger to the Safari Rally. Good to have him back here. Now we move on to the next car. All right. Next car coming up, car number 19.
This noise here, this siren, is to signify it's in EV mode. That's
Yes.
why we have that noise.
I thought it was a horn.
You thought someone had stolen it?
Yeah. Mr. Jourdan Serderidis and Frédéric Miclot. Jourdan Serderidis is not a stranger to Kenya. He was last year in Kenya in the East Africa Safari Classic, where he competed in one of the oldest motorsports events here in Kenya. And is back now into a little more fast-paced event. Jourdan, welcome back to Kenya. A round of applause for you.
Jourdan, hello. Last season when you did Greece, you said that was your last rally at top level. Yeah. The pull of Africa has brought you back in Rally 1, hasn't it?
Well, I love so much Kenya. I say maybe it's the best to finish the career here. So, voila.
What are you hoping for this weekend?
The fun, maximum fun. Finish the rally and maybe a top 10.
How difficult is it out there?
If it's raining, it will be one of the most difficult rally of the season. But exciting. Of course, it's exciting.
Thank you very much. Good luck.
Okay, all right. Just nudge me. All right, we progress on with the next car. That was Jourdan Serderidis leaving for his adventure, navigated by Frédéric Miclot in the M Sport Ford World Rally Team in the Rally 1 category. And up next is Gregoire.